All right, look at me. Don't look at anybody, man. Look at me. You just having a video call with your brother. That's how it is, all right? Just chill vibe, all right?
Thank you.
Nice. So how was the transition from being a nurse to an artist?
It comes from before that I was studying for 3 years in medical stuff, and when I was a kid I loved doing medical stuff, and none of my family has been in medical stuff before. And then just being surviving in a monthly salary is not enough for me, and I just tried my own business. I just practiced it. Before that, when I was a kid, also I loved doing some drawing stuff, so like art craft things, as anybody does that. And then I just terminated that. The salary isn't enough for me. I can't afford to pay my home salary or rents, and then I just came back.
Let's talk about your English. For how long have you been working on your English? How confident are you? And what do you think are the things that you need to work on?
To be honest, I love passionate to learn English books, like Telegram channels that boost my confidences or my grammar or vocabulary stuff. I read a lot of things from Telegram, but it's not consistent with me.
ምን መሰለህ አሁን አንተ ብዙ ንግግር መለማመድ አለብክ። በመሃል ሚሉ ነገሮች አሉ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ለውጥ አያመጣም ብለኝ እስኪ።
ለውጥ አያመጣም?
አዎ ማተር የሚለውን ቃል ተጠቀምና
It doesn't have matter.
It doesn't have matter. አስተካክለው።
It doesn't give matter.
It doesn't give matter. አስተካክለው።
It doesn't give matter. ለውጥ አያመጣም። It doesn't give a progress. It doesn't give a progress.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
No, አይደለም። ይኸውልህ ቅድም it's not matter አልከኝ። ችግር የለውም ብዬ አልኩኝ። it's not matter አይደለም ተቀ it doesn't matter በለኝ እስኪ። it doesn't matter ብቻ have አያስፈልገውም give አያስፈልገውም በለኝ እስኪ።
It doesn't matter.
good የትኑር ለውጥ ምንም አያመጣም ለውጥ በለኝ።
It doesn't matter wherever you are or
it doesn't matter ብለህ where you live አለቀ በቃ።
where you live.
በለኝ
It doesn't matter where you live.
ምንም ብትበላ ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ።
It doesn't matter what you eat.
very good በቃ በአንድ ሙከራ አድርገው ምንም ሳትል እንደዛ አድርገው። okay
Alright.
እንዴትም ብትናገር ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ።
It doesn't matter how you speak.
nice በአንድ ሙከራ ይዘነዋል አሁን that's what's up man. that doesn't matter good ማንንም ወቅ ዋጋ የለውም በለኝ።
It doesn't matter who you know.
ኤስን ጨመርክብኝ አሁንና ኤስን ጨመርክብኝ።
Hell no, man.
አታ ኤስን አታስገባብኝ።
It doesn't matter.
ሳይሳሳት it doesn't matter who you know. that's it right? ሶስት ነው የምጠይቀው። ሶስት በትክክል ካገኘህልኝ ወደ ቀጥለው ጋር
I already answered to both.
No, you didn't. No, it has to be on the row. It has to be on the row. If you mess up in the middle, we start from scratch. All right?
Alright.
Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, all right. ምንም ብጠጣ ዋጋ የለውም በለኝ።
It doesn't matter what you think. Drink.
አይቆጠርም በቃ think drink አልከኝ አይቆጠርም። ይሄው ድጋሚ ፈረሰ። Okay? ምንም ብትለብስ it doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what excuse you give me, all right? You have to get on the first shot. All right? I'm only going to give you one shot. If you get 3 on the row, we can move on to the things that I have here, all right? Let's go. የቱ ጋርም ብትቀመጥ ችግር የለውም በለኝ። take your time.
It doesn't matter where you sit. No matter.
አሁን ለምንድን መጨረሻ ላይ no matter ምናምን ለምን ትጨምራለህ? አትጨምር በቃ።
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
It doesn't matter where you sit. በቃ like don't hesitate. You're hesitating. Don't be hesitant, my man. Like you don't hesitate. Just go. You're right. Okay? Okay. ምንም ንዳ ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ።
It doesn't matter what you drive.
Nice. One ትላለህ good ማንም ትሁን እሷ ምንም ችግር የለውም ብለኝ
It doesn't matter who is he.
እሷ
Who she is.
በስ አሁን ጥሩ ነበር ድበር በለው ድጋሚ
It doesn't matter who she is.
እሺ ይሄንም እቆጥርልሃለሁ ሁለት
I mean, it's all right. Like,
if you get this right you get it right otherwise we're gonna go back from the beginning okay ስንትን ብር ይኑርክ ምንም ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ ተረጋጋ አይዞን በውስጥ በለው ቀስ በል
It doesn't matter how many you have.
ስንት ነው በለኝ ገንዘብ ስጠይቅ ስንት በለኝ
How much?
ገንዘብ
Money.
አለ
It doesn't matter how much money do you have.
ዱነት ታስገባ
It doesn't matter how many you have.
It doesn't money how money come on man say it again let's go back
It doesn't matter how much money you have.
አንበሳ ታመጣዋለህ እኮ ግን በመጀመሪያ ሙከራ ማምጣት ነው ይቀር ከበደክ ኦኬ ቀላል ነው ድጋሚ እንሰራለን ምሳሌ እኮ ጨረስኩኝ እሺ ምንም አንብብ ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ
Relax. Doesn't matter what you read.
ትክክል and thank you God I appreciate you Zeus is good okay nice and nice እንዴት ማውራ ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ
It doesn't matter how you speak.
Thank you God again 2 times okay all right good the third one all right let's not mess up this time
The last one must be simple.
Should I make it simple
Sure.
እሺ what is your religion እንዳትለኝ ኢዝን መጨረሻ ላይ አምጣት እሺ ኢዝን መጨረሻ ላይ አምጣት የነገርኩ ነው ሃይማኖትክ ምንም ይሁን ለውጥ አያመጣም በለኝ
It doesn't matter what religion is. Sorry for pronunciation. It doesn't matter
what
religion you is. The question came again. The question.
ሃይማኖትክ ምንም ይሁን ለውጥ አያመጣም it doesn't matter what your religion is
It doesn't matter what your religion is.
This guy is smart I don't know how you got that but okay you got it so again it's not matter ማለት ለምትለው it doesn't matter ለምትለው ማለት ነው ኮንፊደንስ አለኝ በለኝ እስኪ
I have a confidence.
እሺ ይሁንሽ ምን ማድረግ እንዳለብኝ አውቃለሁ በለኝ
I know what I have to do.
very good need እስኪ አድርገው
I know what I need to do.
Nice I know what I need to do ቅድም ማለት መሰለ I know what need I to do ምናምን ነገር አልከኝ ማለት ነው so sometimes you be glitching you know ትንሽ ግሊቾች አሉ ማለት ቋንቋ ላይ አንደኛ fluency አለ ሁለተኛ accuracy አለ fluency አለ ማለት በቃ እንዴትም ብለ it doesn't matter what need I to do if I work on my confidences I don't care who ሸገርልሽ is if she are beautiful it's not matter በለ ብታወራ fluency ያለህ ይባላል ግን accuracy የለውም ይባላል ገብቶሃል so if you just could work on your accuracy be aware of what you're saying ቁጭ አድርገህ ሁለት ደቂቃ አንድ ደቂቃ ያወራክ በሆነ ቶፒክ ላይ ተቀርጸውና እንዴት እንደዚህ ይላል እንደዚህ አይባልም ብለ አሁን ለምሳሌ it's not matter የሚለውን it doesn't matter who you are man it doesn't matter how much money you have it doesn't matter what job you do it doesn't really matter who your friends are what matters is ምናምን ያልክ የሆነች ስፒች ብትሰራባት እቺ ሎክ ታደርጋለች አንድ ነገር አስተካከልክ ማለት ያልክ 6 ወር if you lock in for 6 months you're going to be great my man okay
Thank you.
ስለ ብሬክ ሌግ እናውራ እሺ ታፕረፕ ስለ ብሬክ ሌግ እናውራ break a leg ማለት good luck ማለት ነው what's the difference between break a leg and good luck though do you guys know that what's the difference top it up ኦኬ ጉድ ላክ ብሬክ ሌግ ብላችሁ ጽፉልኛላችሁ። እሺ አሁን እነግራችኋለሁ የሆነ ነገር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የሆነ የእንትኔን ላቅ ነው። ፈተና አለኝ። ብሬክ ሌግ ነው የምትሉኝ ወይስ ጉድ ላክ ነው የምትሉኝ? ፈተና አለኝ። ጉድ ላክ ነው ወይስ ብሬክ ሌግ ነው የምትሉኝ? ጉድ ሌክም ብሏል። ሌክም አለ። ቆንጆ ነው። ኦኬ ጉድ ላክ። ናይስ። እሺ ኳስ ልጫወት ነው። ኳስ ጌም አለኝ። ምንድን ነው የምትሉኝ? ብሬክ ሌግ ነው የምትሉኝ? ጉድ ላክ ነው የምትሉኝ? ጉድ ላክ አክቹዋሊ ለሁለቱም ይሰራል ግን no. This is how it is. So you say break a leg for performance, you know, if someone is doing something, an activity, Masna. Why are you doing? What's the hold up?
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize, but still, like, you know, that's a lot to go through. So, what's up, Carrie?
Okay.
Where you from?
I'm good. What's up?
Where you from?
I live in China, but I live in China.
Ni hao.
Ni hao ma.
Ni hao man. Ni hao man. Yeah, that's what's up. Ni hao girl. Okay. All right. Tell me about yourself. How'd you find yourself in China, first off? What do you do there?
You are my favorite teacher. I just got a scholarship.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
all right.
you are my favorite teacher, and I really appreciate you.
Thank you.
And I improved my English through your video.
But now, she didn't say she paid and she come here and took class. She didn't say that. She said she just watched the videos and it helped her a lot. Just go and watch the videos for free on freaking YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Not on TikTok, of course. YouTube, right?
Yeah, YouTube.
Yes. YouTube is the spot.
I had a notebook. Yeah, I had a notebook and I teach a lot of your videos. For real, I didn't have that much any idea about the English. I didn't have the confidence and I didn't have the idea to start even how to improve my English. Since I start to watch your video, the way you teach, the way you improve, and the way you appreciate students to build their confidence, I just got the confidence and also ways to improve my English. Then I started to took the English proficiency, Duolingo, and I scored 120 out of 160. It's because of you.
Oh my God! Thank you. I appreciate you.
This is so cute.
Yeah, this keeps me going. I really appreciate you. How long you been living in China?
It's around 1 year.
A year. So how's life there?
1 year, around 1 year.
How's life
Life
there?
is so nice in China. So nice.
Okay.
I'm
What's the
enjoying. I'm studying here.
okay, tell me what the good parts of living in China is. What are the good things about living there?
The good part, a lot of good parts living in China, but the most good part is life is cheap, and if you have a student visa, you can travel through all Chinese cities, and also a lot of type of scholarship and a lot of opportunity when you get that scholarship. You can get a master's scholarship when you graduate, and also you can get money. You can get medals, certificates, and a lot of opportunity. So you can also transfer from China to another country like US, maybe Canada, UK, Europe countries. Yeah, but the most cute things about China is you can travel through all cities, and the city are so interesting.
ስለዚህ አሁን ምን ማሻሻል ትችያለሽ? ለምሳሌ ቅድም የሆነ ከጠይቀሽ አልሽ ነገሮች አሉ ግራ ሊያጋቡሽ የሚችሉ ነገሮች ማለት ነው። ሰውየውን ላገኘው አልቻልኩኝም፣ ሊይዘው አልቻልኩም ለማለት ፈልጊ get a hold of someone ነው የምትጠቀሚው። get a hold of someone እስኪ በይው
Get a hold of someone.
get a hold of someone በይኝ
get a hold of someone.
ስለዚህ ላገኝ አልቻልኩም ስትይ I can't ብለሽ ቀጥይበት እስኪ ሰውየውን ሊይዘው አልቻልኩም
I can get a hold of someone.
No, someone በሚለው ፋንታ ሰውየው ስለሆነ him ትያለሽ I can't get a hold of him.
I can't get a hold of him.
I can't get a hold of him. አምስቴን በለው አይዞሽ ይመጣል በደምብ I can't get a hold of him. I can't get a hold of him. I can't get a hold of him. Let's go. 5 times.
I can't get a hold of him. 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 I can't get a hold of him.
ሴት ከሆነች
I can't get a hold of her. I can't get a hold of her.
Nice. ለኔ
I
ከሆነ
can't get a hold of her.
ለኔ ከሆነ
I can't get a hold of you. I can't get a hold of you. I can't
Very
get a
good.
hold of you.
very good ጥያቄ አድርጊውና እንዴት አድርጌ ነው ላገኘህ የምችለው በይ go በዚሁ how
Can I get a hold of you? How can I get a
do
hold of you?
exactly yeah that works say it
Okay,
again
okay, indeed, no.
it's okay it's right just keep at it soon being go ahead
How do I
you're right in both ways
በአማርኛ ድገም በአማርኛ
ካንም ዱ መጠቀም ትችላለች ችግር የለውም ካንም ዱም ይሰራሉ ችግር የለውም how can I get that's actually perfect go
How can I get a hold of you? How can I get a hold of you?
ይኸውልሽ አሁን አንቺ ፋንሲ በሆነ እንግሊዝኛ ማለት ነው can I have your number ምናምን በማስፋንታ so how can I get a hold of you ካልሽው እንዴት ነው ኮንታክት ማድረግ እንዴት ነው ሊይዘ የሚችለው እያልሽው ነው ማለት ነው so earlier I asked you said there was a girl an agent ምናምን ስትይ how did you get a hold of her አልኩሽ እሺ how did you get a hold of her አልኩሽ how did you contact her ስልሽ I saw her on TikTok ምናምን ብለሽ ቀጠልሽ ማለት ነው So these kind of advanced expression መጠቀም ያለብሽ your English is B2 አሁን B2 ቆንጆ ነው ይሄን ከነገርሽኝ ጸደይ ከጠቀሙ ጉዳቱ ያመዝናል በይ እስኪ
ከጥቅሙ ጉዳቱ ያመዝናል
advantage disadvantage ሁለቱን ቃሎች ትጠቀሚኛለሽ
Can I use that? Okay, እሱ መጠቀም እችላለሁ?
ይቻላል ሁለቱን ቃሎች ናቸው ጥቅም advantage ነው ጉዳት disadvantage ነው don't go carry አንድ ሺህ ብናደርግላት ሲመጣው ፖይንት እንዴት እንደምወዳችሁ ጋይስ እቺ ነው የሚሰሽ አግኝተንም አከማው ነው advantage
ያመነዝቃል የሚለው
መመዘን የሚለው ነው ራ ማለት ነው እስኪ እኔን አሁን ስንት ነው የምትመዝነው በእኝ እስኪ
What kg are you? Oh.
What kg are you?
No way. There's no way.
How much please come?
How much kg are you?
አይደለ እሺ ለምሳሌ ስኳር ይዘሽ መጣሽ መዝንልኝ በእኝ እስኪ ፕሊዝ መዝንልኝ በእኝ
መዝንልኝ
This what tell me kilogram ምንድነው እሺ ክብደት ምንድነው in English weight ቲና ጥፊያት
weight
በቃ ስለዚህ ይሄንን ወይ ማለት መመዘን ማለት ነው እሺ ስለዚህ መዝንልኝ ስትይ please could you weigh this for me ነው የምትይኝ ሌላ ነገር የለውም በእኝ እስኪ
could you weigh this
for me yeah weigh this for me በእኝ
weigh for me this
weigh this for me weigh this for me say it again
weigh this for me
very good ምን ያክል ትመዝናለህ በእኝ how much do you
Wait, how much do you weigh?
ወይኔ ከጥቅም ጉዳቱ ይበልጣል የሚለው ጋር ሳንደርስ ቆየን ለማንኛውም በቃ how much do you weigh ነው የምትጠቀሙ ስንት መዝናለህ ማስፈልጉ ለማንኛውም አንድ ነገር ከእንትኑ ለማለት ስትሉ outweigh ነው የምትጠቀሙት okay so the advantage outweighs the disadvantage ከጥሩ መጥፎ ይመዝናል the good outweighs the bad the good outweighs the bad እስኪ የምጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። the good outweighs the bad እስኪ ጻፉልኝ። the good outweighs the bad. let's go. the good outweighs the bad. the good outweigh way ሲጻፍ WEIGHS ነው የሚጻፈው። wait ከሚለው ጋር ቲን ብቻ ማጥፋት ነው። ኤስ ብታስገባው አሪፍ ነው። ኤስን ብታስገባው አሪፍ ነው። good good the positive outweighs the negative። አንበሳ በቃ ገብቷችኋል ማለት ነው። እወዳችኋለሁ። መልካም ቀን ይሁንላችሁ። positive vibes. Bye.